Before we move on, I think it's good that we do a quick revision on what we have learned about addition and subtraction of integers. There are just a few simple rules that we absolutely must master.
First, when you see 5 plus negative 3, that is the same as 5 minus 3. Plus negative become minus. So 12 plus negative 7 is the same as 12 minus 7. 9 plus negative 23 is the same as 9 minus 23. Negative 17 plus negative 16 is the same as negative 17 minus 16. Second, when you see 5 minus negative 3, it is the same as 5 plus 3. So 12 minus negative 7 become 12 plus 7. 9 minus negative 23 become 9 plus 23. Negative 17 minus negative 16 become negative 17 plus 16. When we see negative 4 plus 9 or 4 minus 9, one is positive and the other is negative. First, we disregard the sign and look for the number with greater value. If the number with greater value is positive, the answer will stay positive. If the number with greater value is negative, the answer will stay negative. And then we take the number with greater value minus the number with lesser value. Let's look at some examples. 9 is the number with greater value and it is positive. So the answer is going to be positive. There are more positives to start with. Next, we subtract 4 from 9 to get 5. So the answer is positive 5. 4 plus negative 9. 9 is the number with greater value and it is negative. So the answer is going to be negative. There are more negatives to start with. Next, we subtract 4 from 9 and we get 5. So the answer is negative 5. 5 minus 18. There are more negatives to start with. So the answer has to be negative. And then we subtract 5 from 18 to get 13. So the answer is negative 13. Negative 36 plus 16. There are more negatives to start with. So the answer must be negative. And then we subtract 16 from 36 to get 20. And the answer is negative 20. Number 4. When you see negative 4 minus 9, both numbers are negative, we add them up and keep a negative sign to the answer. This is like you owe 4 ringgits to start with, and now you owe another 9 ringgits. So in total, you owe 13 ringgits. So the answer is negative 13. Let's look at 2 more examples. Negative 12 minus 5. We keep the negative sign, and then we add up 12 and 5. So the answer is negative 17. Negative 4 plus negative 11. Plus negative become minus. So we get negative 4 minus 11. We add up 4 and 11 and then keep the negative sign. So the answer is negative 15. Okay, a quick recap. When you see 5 plus negative 2, that's the same as 5 minus 2. When you see 5 minus negative 2, it becomes 5 plus 2. When there are positive and negative numbers, we look for numbers with greater value. If the number carries a positive sign, the answer will be positive. If the number is negative, the answer will be negative. Then we subtract the number with lesser value from the number with greater value. Then we got the answer. For example, if we have 6 minus 19 or negative 19 plus 6, disregarding the sign, the larger number is 19 and it carries a negative sign. We have more negative to start with. So the answer has got to be negative. And then we subtract 6 from 19, which will give us negative 13. When you see 2 negatives, for example, negative 2 plus negative 6 or negative 2 minus 6, we just add up 2 and 6 and keep the negative sign, which gives us negative 8.